Alam niyo ba mga brad, na taong 2008 nang mag-umpisang tawagin bilang isang dumb executioner si Manny Pacquiao? Ito ay dahil sa mga laban na naipanalo nito mula sa mga pinakamalalakas at mahusay na fighter ng Mexico mula 2003 hanggang 2008. Subalit alam nyo din ba na bago pa lamang maging executioner si Pacquiao ay may isang fighter noon ang tinatawag na The Destroyer of Filipino Boxer? Isang website noon ang naglabas ng article patungkol dito na isang Thai fighter ang umuubos noon sa mga Pinoy na dumadayo sa bansang Thailand. Ito ay ang Thai fighter na si Narong Ritpirang o mas kilala sa alias bilang Fasan 3K Battery. Malupit ang fighter na ito mga brad, walang patawad. Umabot sa 22 na Pinoy ang brutal na winasak nito hanggang sa makasagupa nito si Manny Pacquiao. December 11, 2004 nang tuldukan ni Manny Pacquiao ang moniker nito na The Destroyer of Filipino Boxer. Inakala ng Thai fighter na ito na maisasama nito sa listahan ng mga sinibak nito si Pacquiao. Kaya naman siya pa mismo ang dumayo sa Pilipinas upang trabahuhin si Manny Pacquiao. Subalit pagsapit ng mismong laban ay hindi sumang-ayon sa plano nito ang tadhana. Ito ay nang-4 na beses itong pinabagsak ni Pacquiao. Tag-1 beses sa round 2 at round 3 at tuluyang tinapos ang laban pagsapit ng round 4. Ang laban na ito ay isang title fight para sa titulong IBF World Featherweight Title Eliminator. Narito at panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanilang sagupaan. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy ay inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell upang palagi kang ma-notify sa mga bago nating video.
Kaliwete. Pareho silang kaliwete. So, neither will have an advantage of being a southpaw sa laban na ito.
Pareho sila, yes. Pareho silang fighting out of the yung southpaw stand. That's something that they're trying to develop together with those bodyguards.
Oy!
Sa unang bahagi pa lamang ng round 1 ay nagpamalas kagad ng lakas ang Thai fighter. Ito ay nang agad nitong matamaan ng isang malinis na kanan si Pacquiao. Tila ba nais nitong sabihin na pang 23 ka sa mga Pinoy na itutumba ko.
Steady goes. Oy, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, ano? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Eto na.
And Pasong Pirang gets back by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam kung anong sinusuntok niya.
Well, parang groggy na ito si Pasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his bombs. Pero si Pasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tabi yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay doon sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na ito with 1:25 to go. Eto, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Freddy Estrella calls it wisely, it's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Pirang lost his footing pag-atake nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Manny now, again, trying to bounce, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left right.
Nabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, baka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Itong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round
Well,
number
Chino,
1.
ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together. Ito.
Maagang
Niya, si
30-second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin. And Pasang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time. And what a round. 41 years
Round
as a
number
fighter and as a trainer. Okay, ito na. Maganda rin ang depensa ni Pasang, ha? A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Pasang. Ito si Pasang now also showing a jab.
Tandaan niyo, sinabi nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Fasang. Although tinatamaan siya dito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown.
Subalit pagsapit ng round 2 ay dito nang nagumpisang umusok si Pacquiao. Tatlong right jab ang pinakawala ni Pacquiao. Ito ay para buksan ang depensa ng Thai fighter at saka ito sinundan ng isang malakas na kaliwa. Mabilis ang mga pangyayari at ang mga kamao ni Pacquiao agad na bumagsak ang Thai fighter.
Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Fasang.
Sa nung tinamaan Ginito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage.
Batid ni Pacquiao na hindi pa yun ang suntok na tatapos sa Thai fighter. Kaya naman, matapos malampasan ng Thai fighter ang bilang ng referee, ay agad na sumugod si Pacquiao na tila ba nais nitong sabihin na ako na ang huling Pinoy na makakalaban mo.
Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yung pong kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Fasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh.
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman.
Sa dami ng suntok. Sa dami
And
ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sana ang depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. Ding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bumagsak si Fasan, but Fasan is still standing. He's still fighting back.
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasan. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Fasan 3K battery.
Short of toying around with this guy. Going to the midsection. And going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his.
Alam mo,
He goes
yeah.
to the body. Grabe ang variety, Kinito.
You have to give it to Fasan, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na tinanggap niya from Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao again working out that right of his. Trying with that right looping shot. They're trying to master yung right cross, Kinito. This is round number 2.
Now, nakita din natin yung mga suntok ni Manny, hindi lang sa mukha, kundi sa tagiliran din, no? The side of the body.
10-second warning.
Fasang looks like he's going to survive this second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And end of the second round.
He wants to be a two-fisted fighter in preparation for Marquez, Morales, and Barrera. But first,
He must hurdle.
he's got to be able to take care of Fasang
Pasong
3K battery.
Ito back dito sa ating bout. Round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Pasong Pirang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao moves him with the left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Got lead, Kinito.
Well, he got rocked that time.
Pero matibay Kinito. Nakikita ko. Nasasalo niya yung mga suntok. Now whether he's able to withstand the punishment.
Oo, Chino, parang pinasusuntok
Yan na
niya lang si Manny. But here is Fasang absorbing a lot of punishment.
And Manny Pacquiao getting a good workout dito sa first 2 rounds.
Oh, talaga. At sabi ni Manny, alika, suntukin mo ako. Para makatikim din ako, sabi niya.
Saka kanina kagulat-gulat, Kinito, nakita ko si Manny na doon sa pre-fight tradition, yung tradition na pre-fight, no? Nakangiti. Nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao.
Very loose siya. He was
Yes.
very loose before this fight. Very, very confident. At ito, tinatamaan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Very slippery din ito si Fasang. Magalaw.
Yung pinapractice niya, no? Right straight mo. Titignan natin maigi, no? Yung left, or rather that right hand that they're trying to work at. Ito pong corner ni Manny Pacquiao, led by, of course, Coach Freddie Rhodes.
Pasundot-sundot lang
Pero
si
parang
Fasang.
straight na siya, no? Kasi gusto nila, maturuan ito si Manny Pacquiao na parang style ni Larry Holmes na yung kanan na jab, parang straight na halos.
Exactly. Yan parang nakikita natin, no? Yung jab ni Manny Pacquiao na kanan, parang pa-knockout na din yun eh. It has a lot of power. Hindi lang pag-setup, no? Although it could also be a setup for his left hand or yung combination right-left-right. Ito, bumabalik si Fasang. Again, yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Manny should not be frustrated na hindi pa niya napapatulog itong kalaban niya, no?
Grabe.
Malayo pa to. It's a 12-rounder. Pero matibay itong Fasan. He has been able to take a lot of those punches. He went down once in round number 2.
Trying that right upper ngayon. But Manny gets tagged with that left by Pasong Pirang. Both fighters again fighting out of the southpaw stance. No, ayun, tumama. si Manny Pacquiao with that left lead.
Overhand left. Well, one thing we have to also watch is baka naman masunog ito si Manny, no, sa dami ng mga suntok na binibitawan niya sa laban na ito. He's got to pace himself. Scheduled for 12 ito. Matibay ang kanyang kalaban.
Pero sinabi kanina, Kinito, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Freddy Rhodes, if we have to go 12, then so be it, ano?
Oo.
Yan ang sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny dahil maraming nagdududa sa kondisyon nitong si Manny Pacquiao. But Coach Freddy Rhodes said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Meron lang akong konting, nako, ito na, under 5 seconds, at hilong-hilo si Masong Pirang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky. Pero
He went down. He went down. Yes, tama yun.
Walang fighter to be saved after the bell and another knockdown scored by
Hindi ko ba nakikita yung sustained attack ni Manny Pacquiao sa katawan? It's been all head so far. At wala pa tayong nakikitang assault by Manny Pacquiao sa katawan ni Fasan 3K battery.
Saka pansin mo yung kaliwa niya, bihira niyang binibitawan. No? Pag napadikit lang siya, but it's all been the right doing the work. Sabi kasi ni Manny Pacquiao kanina, abangan niyo yung kanan ko. And really, that right, he is trying to work at that so hard. At ito po, inuulit po namin in preparation for that big one. On February 26, he is set to meet Manuel Marquez in a rematch, but he has first to finish off this assignment of his. Round number 3, or round number 4.
Nakita natin yung Chino, no? Yung right hand ni Manny turned the legs ni Fasan or robbery towards the end of that round. Bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was, kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be safe after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung anong gusto niya. Manny has got in his range but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang defense ni Manny at this point, ha? Kung meron pang ibubuga ito si Fasan, dapat ipakita niya ngayon. Because here's an opportunity for him. Manny's fighting very loose, very confident. Napabagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Pero nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang. Again,
I don't think so.
hindi po uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga naman ano dito,
Left punch! The left hand!
the left hand,
Left hand!
that left upper Kinito.
Parang upper yun!
It's an upper left hand. That nail. This is the third knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Fasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Fasan in this round.
Eto na
Ito
naman.
na naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Tinapos ni Manny Pacquiao ang laban sa pamamagitan ng round 4 knockout. At ang panalong ito ni Pacquiao ay formal na hudyat upang hindi natawagin na The Destroyer Filipino Boxer ang Thai fighter na si Fasan Pirang 3K battery.
The second of 4 children. Ito, panurin natin.
Kinito nung
Kaliwa.
tinago niya ng kanan and then the upper of that left that sent itong Pasong Pirang kissing the canvas.
At ito na naman.
Ito na naman, grabe ang ganda Kinito. Nakatago
Parang
sa kanan.
uppercut na cross na hindi mo maintindihan, but it was a left hand that brought Fasan down. 2 beses siyang bubagsak dito sa ating 4th round. Ito, panurin ulit natin. One of the knockdowns scored here by Manny Pacquiao.
Tingnan mo, pepekein niya ng kanan.
Ito yung kanan.
Tapos ito na, pag nakita niya magtatago sa kanan, uli, ayan, pepekein ng kanan. And look at that left. Ang ganda ng timing Kinito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung 2 paa, umangat. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to show
Grabe
you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda
At saka
nun.
yung power. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas, and you rarely see that in a boxing fight, not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Mamaya ho,
Power.
babalikan na.
Kung umabot ka man sa dulo ng ating video, ay baka pwede kang mag-like at i-comment mo kung taga saan ka para may idea ako kung saang lugar maraming Pinoy na mahilig sa boxing.